Lesson: Ethics and Governance in AI Systems. Ethics and governance are critical components in the implementation of artificial intelligence systems. These systems have the potential to significantly transform industries, enhance productivity, and improve decision-making processes. However, the deployment of AI also raises significant ethical concerns and governance challenges. This lesson provides a comprehensive exploration of actionable insights, practical tools, frameworks, and step-by-step applications that professionals can implement to address these challenges effectively. AI systems, by nature, rely on vast amounts of data, leading to concerns about privacy and data protection. One practical tool that professionals can use to address these concerns is the Privacy Impact Assessment. A PIA is a systematic process for evaluating the potential effects that a project or technology might have on individual privacy. By implementing a PIA, AI professionals can identify potential privacy risks early in the development process and incorporate safeguards to protect sensitive information. For instance, during the development of a facial recognition system, conducting a PIA can help identify risks associated with data storage and sharing, ensuring compliance with regulations such as the General Data Protection Regulation. Bias in AI systems is another critical ethical issue. AI models are often trained on historical data, which can perpetuate existing biases if not carefully managed. The use of fairness-aware machine learning algorithms is an effective strategy to mitigate bias. These algorithms are designed to ensure that the outcomes of AI systems are equitable across different demographic groups. Implementing bias detection and mitigation tools, such as IBM's AI Fairness 360, provides AI practitioners with robust frameworks to evaluate the fairness of their models. This toolkit includes metrics to assess bias and algorithms to mitigate it, offering a step-by-step guide to enhancing model fairness. Transparency and explainability are essential for building trust in AI systems. Stakeholders need to understand how AI models make decisions, especially in high-stakes scenarios such as healthcare and criminal justice. The use of interpretable models and visualization tools can enhance transparency. One such tool is LIME, which provides explanations for individual predictions made by black box models. By integrating LIME during the model development process, practitioners can offer insights into how specific inputs affect outputs, thus making the decision-making process more transparent to end users. The governance of AI systems extends beyond ethical considerations to include accountability and oversight mechanisms. Establishing clear governance frameworks is vital to ensure responsible AI deployment. A practical framework for AI governance is the AI Ethics Guidelines Global Inventory, which provides a comprehensive repository of ethical guidelines and policies from organizations worldwide. By referencing this inventory, AI professionals can benchmark their governance practices against global standards and implement best practices tailored to their specific contexts. One of the challenges in AI governance is ensuring accountability for the actions and decisions made by AI systems. A practical approach to address this challenge is the implementation of accountability mechanisms within AI systems. This involves assigning clear responsibilities to individuals or teams for monitoring AI outputs and implementing feedback loops for continuous improvement. In practice, this can be achieved by establishing an AI ethics review board within organizations, tasked with overseeing AI projects and ensuring ethical standards are met throughout the project lifecycle. Case studies offer valuable insights into the real-world application of ethics and governance frameworks in AI. The COMPASS system, used in the U.S. criminal justice system, highlights the challenges of bias and transparency. Criticized for racial bias in predicting recidivism, the system underscores the necessity for fairness and explainability in AI models. This case illustrates the importance of implementing fairness-aware algorithms and transparency tools to ensure that AI systems do not perpetuate discrimination. Statistics further emphasize the urgency of addressing ethics and governance in AI. According to a study by McKinsey, 40% of AI professionals believe that ethical risks are a major barrier to AI adoption. This statistic highlights the need for comprehensive governance frameworks to mitigate ethical risks and promote the responsible use of AI technologies. By prioritizing ethics and governance, organizations can enhance trust in AI systems and facilitate their integration into society. In conclusion, the ethical and governance challenges associated with AI systems necessitate a proactive approach from AI professionals. By implementing practical tools such as privacy impact assessments, fairness-aware algorithms, and transparency tools like Lime, practitioners can address privacy, bias, and transparency issues effectively. Governance frameworks, including accountability mechanisms and ethical guidelines, provide a structured approach to overseeing AI projects and ensuring responsible AI deployment. Real-world examples, such as the Compass system, underscore the importance of these practices and offer valuable lessons for AI professionals. By prioritizing ethics and governance, organizations can build AI systems that are not only innovative, but also equitable, transparent, and trustworthy.